Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Photoshop, and this is Ezra. So right now we will talk about the usage and the function of a clone stamp. For example, I have this kind of image and I want to remove these cars and blackheads. I guess this is a blackhead, and I want to make this skin smoother. So all I need to do is to click my clone stamp, and you can press letter S from your keyboard, and once you click it, you find an area that you want to copy and put it over here. For example, I want to copy this skin, this area. All I need to do is to press Alt and click, Alt, click. Alright, for example, I already copied this area. You can already put it over here, and for example, alright, and I want to copy this area just to make some color combinations. For example, I want to erase this one. Just press Alt to copy this area, Alt, and brush it over. And I want to remove this one. I will copy this, press Alt and brush it over. So it depends on you on how you will make some color combination so that the person who will see the image, he or she will never know there is a pimple or a scar over there. Alright, so once you're done, you can click Spot Healing Brush 2 and just to make it smoother. Just to make it smoother. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like a normal skin without pimples. So if I'm going to take more time to edit this photo, you will never know that this person or the skin has scars or pimples or acne. So that's the usage of your clone stamp. So always remember, if you want to copy this, press Alt and brush it over. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, just leave it in the comment bar and subscribe. Thank you for watching.